On this week's episode, simple chicken lasagna. Heat oil in a saucepan, add chicken mince and fry on a medium heat until brown. Add aromat seasoning or salt. Add ginger puree or fresh ginger. Some paprika, smoked paprika. Dry or fresh garlic. And Nando's smoked barbecue seasoning. Cover with lid and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add 1 finely diced onion. Tomatoes with a tablespoon of sugar. Again, cover with lid and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure to check on it. Still on a medium heat, add finely diced bell peppers. Cover with lid and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add some spaghetti bolognese seasoning mix or a sauce of your choice. Add tomato ketchup. Add a half cup of water. Cover with lid and simmer for 5 minutes. Add some single or double cream. And a chutney of your choice. Start with spooning some of the chicken mixture into the baking dish. Top with uncooked lasagna sheets. Then the chicken. A layer of cheese, then the white sauce. And top with Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Bake in a preheated oven set to 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until piping hot, crisp and bubbling on top. And that's it. Comfort food doesn't get much more classic than this, and chicken lasagna is just as delicious and tasty. I highly recommend. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all, and God bless.